What is up guys, Tanit this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add price and score calculations in Typeform. So let's get started. So first head over to the Typeform's website, and if you have the Typeform account already, you just simply click on login and then log in with your Typeform account. But if you don't have a Typeform account, click on sign up and then sign up with your email, password and the credentials to create your new Typeform account. As you can see, I have created my new form, and now from here at the top, I'll click on workflow. After clicking on workflow on the left side, you can see the scoring section. From here, I can see all the scores and I can set the scores according to my wish and requirement. And after that, when I click on save, the score will be saved. And when I click on branching, here as you can see, and when I click on add rule, I can add a new rule. And from here, if I choose the condition to always and then select the add, divide, subtract and multiply, I can add it, and then I can select the price, or I can enter a number, and after that I just need to select the ending, and I will choose the always go to this question. And this is how you can add price and score calculator in Typeform. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.